Welcome to Legal Dilemmas, where you will find clear, concise legal advice. My name's Safina.
And my name is Brenda.
Well, today's topic of discussion is maintenance pending suit, and what is it? So, Brenda, can you provide us with a definition of what is maintenance pending suit, please?
Maintenance pending suit is called interim maintenance, and it's when one party requires financial support from the other whilst the separation, divorce and financial proceedings are ongoing. And it's normally the weaker party financially needing funds from the other party to cover things like childcare costs, bills, food, just the normal day-to-day costs, and their income is not sufficient to meet those, but the other party does have surplus income.
And how does the court make that assessment or evaluate?
So they will look at a detailed statement in the application. So when you make the application, you have to set out what your weekly and monthly needs are: housing costs, food, toiletries, your general day-to-day living expenses. And they will have a look at how much income you have, what the shortfall is. That's the person who is responding to the application has to file a response, and they will also detail their income and any surplus. So it's just to address short-term needs only. It won't be suitable in a modest asset case, because in those cases people are entitled to benefits, or they can work part-time and have a top-up on universal credit. But it's more where one party has more income, a lot more income than the other, and they're refusing to make payments that the court can see they need.
So I suppose what you seem to be saying, Brenda, is it's, the court's going to make an evaluation based on reasonableness. People can't be saying that they've got excessive needs.
Absolutely, yeah.
So how long does an interim maintenance last then?
Normally, if the court are going to grant interim maintenance, they usually say it's payable until the finances are concluded. So it could be until the divorce is concluded, which is usually after the finances. Now, financial matters can take 12 months on average to conclude. So the court will define how long the order is for. So it could be 12 months from the date of this order, or it could say until a final order is sealed by the court in finances.
Okay. And I suppose people would want to know, how can you make such an application?
Okay, it's quite simple. If the divorce proceedings are issued, which they have to be, it's called maintenance pending suit, and suit is the divorce suit. So you will then apply on Form A and D11. It's a standard form that you fill in and you tick maintenance pending suit on the form, and the court will list it, and they will give you directions as to what needs to be filed. Usually the application D11 and a detailed statement in support, setting out income, assets and liabilities and what you need for your short-term needs.
Thank you very much, Brenda. That's really useful. So hopefully everybody's got a good idea of what maintenance pending suit. It's a bit of a mouthful, but it is essentially short-term interim maintenance to deal with an individual's needs and those of the children on a short-term basis while outstanding financial ancillary matters are resolved. But remember, the standard of living that the court applies is on the basis of reasonableness, and you can make an application using Form A and D11 and within proceedings. So thank you very much. Hopefully you found that helpful. Please like, subscribe, share, keep those notifications on for further great legal content. Put any comments in the comments box.